Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another stock video, and today we're collaborating again with the Business Hub. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to him. This is his YouTube channel. Let me put it up. This is his YouTube channel, so make sure to go ahead and subscribe to him. He's gaining really fast. He's gaining subscribers. So the Business Hub, introduce yourself.
Yeah, hey, what's up everybody? Welcome. We're doing a collaboration again with HK Wealth. So this video we're looking at NIO, and on my channel we'll be looking at WKHS. So be sure to go check that out.
Alright.
And today we're gonna go dive deep into NIO.
Alright, so first of all, let's look at the NIO share price. The stock is currently at $11.94 for Friday because it closed at July 31. Well, if you if you look at the past 6 months, the stock was up to $4 to $5 range, and then out of nowhere at like mid-June, the stock went up to a high as $16.44 because all these EV companies were going up, weren't they?
Yeah.
So what is your opinion on NIO right now?
My opinion on NIO, because NIO is going overseas. If you heard of that news, they're going to USA and
Europe. Yeah, I wouldn't have your video put up. NIO expands overseas because NIO is at, it's going at US and Europe. They're starting to sell their cars in Europe and US, as the founder of NIO, he said that. So what is your opinion, Saeed, on NIO?
Yeah, I think that can really impact their company because you've seen the EC6, the brand new
EC6,
car.
I saw the brand new car.
If they take that, then that can really impact their company because that will probably make more sales because it's like more futuristically, like it's kind of better than Tesla because of some of the features it has.
Yeah, the feature, it has better than Tesla, but not that many people are buying it right now. And on the news, it says NIO stock price, Tesla Chinese rival set to defy doomsters and open higher levels to watch. And the news is saying that NIO stock might be expensive, so stay cautious. So if you wanna go ahead and buy NIO stock right now, you can. But guys, we're not a financial advisor, so if you gain or lose any money, please don't blame it on us. We're just a YouTube creator that tells about stocks. So yeah.
Oh, what do you think NIO can happen to NIO?
NIO, I honestly think is gonna go up because, like you said, they're releasing their car NIO EC6, and on the Yahoo Finance 3 days ago, they put a news out NIO stock might be expensive, so stay cautious. And that can be true because honestly, most of the news from Yahoo Finance can be true, and it is true. If you look at this, McLean Capital recently released its quarter 2 22 investor letter, a copy which you can download here. So let's look at their copy.
You had a really great first quarter for 2020. They bought over
really
10,331 deliveries.
And all these, this new electric company, which was Li Auto Inc., they sold like 10,000 cars for their 6 months. And they were losing their money when they were released. Just got on Robinhood, and that stock is skyrocketing as well. And if we look at Robin Track, NIO is at number 21. And if we click on that, the stock is going up and down, up and down. All the EVs company, they're not going up, like they're not skyrocketing, or they're not going down because like Workhorse, the contract, if Workhorse wins, all the EV company goes up. So what do you think, if NIO is a buy or hold or sell?
Right now, NIO is like a buy, but then we don't know what's gonna happen. Let's say they go overseas. Overseas can have impact. Like I made a video calling pros and cons of NIO going overseas. They can have impact, and they can have bad impact on the company as well. You see what I mean? Like
I get it. Impact. Yeah, they can also have bad impact if they don't oversee. The stock's it's gonna go down. And yeah, the stock, so if you want to go ahead and buy a NIO stock, you can, again, because that stock might go up as of Yahoo Finance. And if we look at the S&P 500 index, which returned 20.5% in the same quarter. However, you should check out McLean Capital top 5 stock picks for an investor to buy right now, which could be the biggest winners of the stock market crash. So they're saying if NIO's like stock becomes expensive, the stock market is gonna crash.
Yeah, because NIO, if they go overseas, they can make sales and become a profitable company. But if they don't make sales, they're gonna lose money because the much money they spend to go overseas to take so much deliveries overseas.
The much money they're gonna lose because they're spending their money.
Yeah.
And if they make revenue, that's another thing. If they make like loss of revenue, then the stock can go up too. And if you look at the NIO E6 car, it looks really dope, and it's like it has better features than Tesla. Let's see. Yeah, it has better features than Tesla. And on the leaderboard, number 1 is Ford Motors. I have no idea how, but on number 21 it's NIO. 259,000 people have that.
In July, I'm pretty sure it was. So I was trying to make this video called top popular top popular stocks that people invest in Robinhood, right? I didn't make it, but I was trying to make it. And then Tesla was number 1 and NIO was number 2, the second popular stock that people are investing in.
Well, if you go on Robin Track and look at the 3-day loopback period for the popular changes, Apple is at number 1 and it gained like $50 on the last day of the market to close. At Friday, it gained $50 and it gained 36,000%. And Li Auto, the new company that was on the stock market, which is also an electric company, gained 14,000. It gained like $5. The bid started with like $11 and now it's at 16 something. And Kodak, that stock went it skyrocketed.
Yeah, because the NIO Auto, not a lot of people are interested in it, but again, people can be interested in it. And you said Apple's number 1. Apple's number 1, I'm pretty sure, because they're doing the 4-to-1 split.
Yeah, they are, I think.
So the 4-to-1 split can, whoever invests right before the 4-to-1 split can really make them rich.
Yeah, and if we, let's see, hold on. Okay, so NIO, Chinese electric vehicle founder William, they're preparing to start selling their cars in Europe and US. Like, you uploaded a video for overseeing the NIO stock. The NIO is overseeing. The company has been global startup since its inception and has an R&D center in the US. They really do have the R&D center in the US.
Yeah. And I made a video about NIO yesterday, I'm pretty sure, and I covered so let's go on it and NIO stock update. It was about NIO stock update, and some crazy stuff actually happened with NIO, like how NIO Auto is trying to be the next biggest competitor against NIO, right? Because if they can easily take over NIO, because they raises $1.1 billion in the IPO.
Oh yeah, they did, because their rival is Tesla. They're trying to beat Tesla, but I don't think so. They're gonna succeed on that because Elon Musk is trying to make Nikola, NIO, all these electric companies go down. Workhorse, and if Workhorse goes up once, it's never gonna come back down. And if a single EV companies, like a small EV companies, goes up, all the EVs companies in the stock market is gonna go up because a small a EV company is going up. Like I said, all the EV stock are gonna go up.
Yeah, what happened in July, all the EV stocks were up, right? Tesla, NIO, Workhorse was going up too.
Yeah, Workhorse was at $2, and then it eventually came at how much? $22 out of nowhere. It skyrocketed. I actually did bought 500 shares of Workhorse at $5. And then I gained lost some money from Workhorse, and I sold it at $16. Well, let's see how much is the stock right now. WKHS stock.
Yeah, I think
it's at $15.
15.
Yeah, it's at $15, and the highest it went was at $22, and the lowest was literally a penny stock. And NIO was also a penny stock. It was $1.19.
Yeah, if we go to year to date, we can see NIO was very, very low.
Yeah, it did go down, and it gives no dividend. So some people.
Yeah, from year to date, NIO has grown 220.97% from year to date. So from 2nd of June, 2nd of January till 31st of July, they have grown 220%. Can you hear me?
Oh, my mic was closed. I'm sorry. Yeah, NIO, and if we look at the, can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, my mic was closed the whole time. Okay, and if we look at the NIO stock, if we compare the NIO and the Workhorse stock on Google, it shows that NIO and Workhorse went 386% up, and NIO went 264% up, and the highest it was for both of the companies. It was Workhorse was at $20.91, and NIO was at $14.98 on market. So on here, it completely shows that Workhorse is better than NIO, and honestly, I think NIO is gonna be better than Workhorse in the next month or so, because but unless if Workhorse wins the contract, that's gonna skyrocket for that stock. So
Pretty sure. Okay, you go.
Yeah, no, you can go.
Okay, I'm pretty sure like Workhorse, even if they don't win the contract, I read some news. It said even if Workhorse doesn't win the contract, they still get like, I'm pretty sure, like a half of the contract.
Even if they get like a piece of the contract, yeah.
Even if they don't win, they still get like a piece of the contract. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, and even if they did like get like $1 billion, the stock is gonna skyrocket. Because their revenue for the past 5 years, it was like $1 million, $5 million. Like the highest was at $9 million. And even if they win like $1 billion, that's a really good sign for a Workhorse.
Yeah. So from your opinion, what do you think people should do with NIO right now?
NIO, I honestly think it's a buy, because Yahoo is saying that the stock can go up because like you made a video on their let's see, they have their cars selling in Europe and US, so that's the reason I honestly think NIO is gonna go up, because they're starting to sell their cars in Europe and the US. What do you think on that stock?
Yes, I think like it's a great investment to make, even though like from if you use Webull, which I don't have open right now, but Webull recommends 50% hold, around 23% underperform, and then the rest buy and strong buy. What's good, investor?
Yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe, and this is the end of the video. Make sure to go check out the Business Hub. He's making a video on Workhorse, and he's uploading it soon, so yeah, make sure to go watch that. And that's really it for the video, guys. Make sure, like, any ending from you?
Yeah, no, just like we're making a Workhorse video on my channel if you want to get updated on Workhorse.
So you can go check it out on this channel. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we are giving out a $25 gift card for Amazon or any stock that you want. So make sure to like and subscribe to join that giveaway and comment. Alright guys, peace out.